Welcome to our next class, students. That is chapter number 4, expansion. So let's start with exercise 4a. Children, all of you are familiar with the identities a plus b whole square. That is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So your first question is find the square of. So this is second part, 3a plus 7b whole square. So apply the identity and compare it. What is x over here? It is 3a and y is 7b. Now replace the values, put the values over here. X is 3a, replace x with 3a, y and then 2xy. Clear? Then after you can expand it. 3 square is 9a square plus 49b square plus 42ab will be the answer. Fourth part, you are asked to find the square of this expression. So what is the identity? A minus b whole square or x minus y whole square, that is equal to x square plus y square minus 2ab. Now put the value. Clear? X is 3a over 2b. Why I am using x and y over here? Because in the question already the same variables a and b are used. So avoid taking all those variables which are used in the questions. So put it over here. When you will put the values, you will get this answer. Second question, use identity to evaluate. One part is already solved for you. There are 4 parts and I am going to explain fourth part of second question, that is 998. It is compulsory to use identity and you all know identities are always helpful to reduce the calculation. So choose such numbers whose calculation orally can be done. How can you write 998? It can be written 1000 minus 2 whole square, because I can easily find out 1000 square, I can easily find out 2 square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? Square of this number is this, 4 minus this, and then answer you have to complete yourself. Find out the answer. Third question, evaluate. Again, second part I am going to solve. Which identity will use here? A minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. After expansion, you will get 4x square over 49. 7 square is 49, y square over 16 minus after cuttings you will get x and y. Fourth question, you are asked to evaluate this expression. So what I did, children, I expanded this term using the identity a plus b whole square. What is the identity? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus expanded using the identity a minus b whole square, that is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4. Then when you will open the bracket, this term will get cancelled with this and this term will get cancelled with this. Your answer is 2 plus 2 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Question number 5. You are given a plus b is equal to 7, ab is equal to 10 and you are asked to find this. Very important, children. Very important relation of a plus b and a minus b. Clear? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. That you can do. You can expand it. You can expand this also. And when finally you will, after cutting, you will get the answer 4ab. So this expression is very important. Now let's put the value. What is a plus b? 7. Put it here. Minus a minus b we are asked to find out equals to 4 into ab value is given 10. Then after we are left with minus ab whole square transpose 49 on the other side. Minus and minus will get cancelled. A minus b is plus minus 3.
Start.
Sixth question. Again you are given this value and a plus b you have to find out. Same expression which I already told you. Now we are asked to find this. This value is given to us. ab is given to us. Put the value. A plus b whole square is equal to 18 fours are 72 and transpose 49 this side. A plus b is under root 121 11. Eighth question, you are given same expression, same you will use over here. A minus b value is given, ab is given, a plus b you have to find out. So use the same identity which have been told earlier. Then a plus b whole square minus, this is what? 0.9, replace it. ab you can replace with 0.36. A plus b whole square, 9 square is 81 and you know that decimal will be after 2 digits. So when you will solve this, you will get this answer. Then transpose 0.81 this side equals to 2.25 and you know that square root of 2.25 is 1.5. After that, in the second part you are asked to find this value And a square minus b square, this is also identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. This value just now only we got, and this value was already given to us. Now put it here and find the answer. Ninth question, you are given this value and this value. You are asked to find out a square plus b square and ab. Children, I can find out a square plus b square using any of the identity, because a plus b whole square is also a square plus b square plus 2ab, and in case of negative also a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I named this equation as equation number 1. Then squaring both the sides, it is a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 16. So a square plus b square minus this is what we have to find out. Minus 2 into this value is given. Transpose it this side. A square plus b square is 26. Now in second part we are asked to find AB. So children, how can we find out AB? We have this identity a plus b whole square. Clear? There are few more. You can use any of the identity to find this value. Clear? A plus b is 6 given to us. A minus b is 4 given to us. Put the value 36 minus 16 and take 4 this side. AB is 5. 11th question, a minus b is given to you and you are asked to find this value. Again very important children. This is same identity which we already used earlier. A plus 1 over, that was a plus b whole square, but in this case b is 1 over a. Okay, so a plus 1 over a whole square minus a minus 1 over a square is equal to, earlier we were using 4ab, but here we are left with 4 only. Why? Because a is a only and b is 1 over a. That will cancel with each other. Clear? So this value we are asked to find out minus this value is given to us. Put it over here. Equals to, as I already told you, b is 1 over a, they'll get cancelled. So from here a plus 1 over a is equal to under root 4, 8 square is 64, transpose it this side, that is under root 68. In second part you are asked to find this expression, that is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b already we got 68 and this is 8 given to us. So you can find prime factors and take out common. 13th question, you are given this expression. Yes, you are given this expression and you are asked to find a minus 1 over a. So children, you can see here a is not there in the denominator. So in order to find this, first of all what I'll do in this case, divide the equation with a. When you will divide, what will you get? A square over a, minus 5a upon a minus 1 over a is equal to 0. When you will divide each term with a, you will get a minus 5. This will get cancelled. Minus 1 over a is equal to 0. So transpose 5 this side. A minus 1 over a is equal to 5. Clear? This we were asked to find in first part. Second part, we were asked to find a plus 1 over a. This you have to find out. Now the same identity, clear, which have been told earlier. A plus 1 over a whole square minus this is equal to 4. This we are asked to find out. This value already we got now only. Put it here and that's equal to 4. So a plus 1 over a is equal to under root 29. From here, now you have to find out third part, a square minus 1 over a square. That's equal to a plus b into a minus b. Both the values we are having, put it here. That will be your answer. Question number 14. This is given to you and you are asked to find 9x square plus 16y square. So how can we obtain 9x square from 3x? Obviously by squaring. So squaring this equation, what will you get? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Square of 16 is 256. So 9x square plus 16y square plus 24xy is equal to this. 9x square plus 16y square, xy is 4, put it here. Then transport it this side, that will be your answer. Sure. 15th question, this is given to you again and this is also given xy. So simply they are related with a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 4. Now replace the values. This is given to you. From here xy is equal to 15. 16th question. Again children, this is given and you are asked to find out this. How they are interrelated? Using the identity a minus b whole square is equal to this, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 25. Put the value and you will find out the answer. Exercise B children, that is related to a plus b whole cube. Already we have explained in the class. Clear? So this is the identity a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Same way, this is the identity. Now first question, find the cube of this expression. So very simple, apply the identity a plus b whole cube, that is a cube meaning 2a cube, 1 over 2a cube, 3ab into a plus b. Clear? So cube of this is this term, then this term, cut short. Clear? That is 3 2s are 6a. When you will multiply with this, then that will be 3 by 2a. In the same way, fourth part of the question, a minus b whole cube, how you can expand it? A cube minus b cube minus 3 into a. What is a? 3a, and b is 1 over a into a minus b. Now you can expand. 3 cube is 27, a cube minus 1 over a cube minus 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27a. Now children, minus minus plus. 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9 over a. That is your answer. Second question, this value is given to you and you are asked to find single term. From square to single, how to find out? You know this identity, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? This value we have to find out. Equals to, what is this value? 47. This will get cancelled 2. So a plus 1 over a is under root 49, that is plus minus 7. Okay. Now we are asked to find this expression. So very simple. We got this value, a plus 1 over a. We got this value. Now we can do cubing of this equation. So when you will do cube of this equation, you will get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into this value. This value is 7. Put it here. This we are asked to find out. A and a will get cancelled and this is 7. 3 7s are 21. And now you have to transpose and you have to find value of this expression.